Firstly, you need find a proper position to install it. On the above of the hotel door lock, but avoid conflict of the door guard clasp. Mark it now under the door guard clasp. Get a drill bit diameter at 16 mm, 0.7 inches. Let's start installation from the front side. Plug the cable. The screw already contained in the front shell. Front side finished. Turn to the back, it is inside room. The last step is plug the wireless doorbell to any electric outlet inside the room. Installation done. This is what it looks like inside room and outside room. You need replace batteries every 10 months or 12 months. Loosen the screw from the top position. Counterclockwise twist. Open it like a bottle cap. The positive pole faces up. Replace 2 batteries quickly. Tighten the screw and the replacement is complete.